SAI is a Bitcoin innovation-driven, clean tech company that provides cutting-edge energy-saving solutions bilaterally integrating the Bitcoin mining, heating, and power industries. The company name SAI are the initial letters of 3 words representing our philosophies: sustainable, available, and innovative. Bitcoin is digital gold. This innovative cryptocurrency system, underpinned by decentralized blockchain technology and more clean energy-powered computing infrastructure, is revolutionarily transparent, secure, and efficient. SAI's mission is to develop energism, or energy-efficient technologies and products, together as an integrated solution called SAI Hub that can minimize the major costs, including electricity, data, chips, and cooling, and environmental impact of Bitcoin mining activities, and thus promote green transition across the Bitcoin mining, heating, and power industries. SAI Heat uses our proprietary liquid cooling system to recover over 90% of chip-generated waste heat and provides a better boiler for larger-scale heating purposes. SAI Watt builds highly mobile Bitcoin mining data centers to consume electricity on-site as a better battery that can efficiently monetize clean power. SAI Byte is a smart, all-in-one cloud system as a better browser, managing SAI's energy-efficient Bitcoin mining hardware globally. SAI Chip is our plan to co-develop the next-generation hashboard and chips using SAI's liquid cooling expertise with industry partners. Integrating these 4 technologies and initiatives, our SAI Hub solution brings 4 key products to the Bitcoin mining industry. Our patented Bitcoin heating cab perfectly replaces traditional fossil fuel boilers and furnaces in broad heating applications. One single cabinet can heat room space above 2,000 square meters or provide over 200 kilowatts equivalent heat. It also generates Bitcoin uninterruptedly. Depending on the different heating demand and conditions, our cabinets can be conveniently conjuncted to adjust heat output. Ideal application scenarios include industrial and commercial buildings such as factories, supermarkets, and resorts. Another classic heating user is agricultural greenhouses. Our cabinets can also apply to urban district heating projects through electrifying the boiler rooms, which can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels for heating purposes, which in fact accounts for 40% of global carbon emission. Our collapsible Bitcoin mining box offers superior efficiency and mobility to Bitcoin mining data centers. A trailer can carry 7 of our folded block boxes, while only being able to carry 1 box of any other kind. It can be deployed at especially renewable power stations as a plug-and-play battery, which is complementary to power storage and transmission to support the green transition of grid. The SAI Hub app is developed to monitor and manage our global Bitcoin mining hardware, including cab and box. It also enables our client to access to operation statistics with great transparency and security. The SAI Hub PCB is our redesigned hashboard, providing higher density of chips and liquid cooling adaptive layout to further improve its energy efficiency. In the Web 3 era, the demand for computing power and electricity will only continue to increase exponentially. We believe that the innovative blockchain computing network, especially the Bitcoin mining data centers, have great potential to improve the energy efficiency and reshape our energy structure with its decentralized nature. SAI is taking a leadership position in this transition. Our goal is to become the largest operator of sustainable Bitcoin mining, available power, and innovative heating in the world. At SAI, we are all energists. Together, we make the world better.
Hello everyone, my name is Bob McCooey and I'm Nasdaq's Vice Chairman and Global Head of Capital Markets. Today is an exciting day as we welcome SciTech, who is listing on Nasdaq under the ticker symbol SAI. Congratulations. It is truly my great pleasure to welcome SciTech to the Nasdaq family. Nasdaq is honored to have partnered with you on your listing, and we're excited that you could all virtually join us for the first time right here from the crossroads of the world as we get set to ring today's bell to celebrate your IPO. SciTech is a professional Bitcoin mining operator with innovative energy-saving technologies and solutions to industries beyond Bitcoin mining. It is on a mission to build a green Bitcoin infrastructure network and to promote the clean transition of our energy structure. With SciTech's patented liquid cooling and waste capture technology, 90% of the chip-generated heat is recycled to serve as a boiler. SciTech's renewable energy-powered boilers best satisfy heating demands for residential, commercial, industrial, and agricultural scenarios. Replacing fossil-fueled boilers minimizes carbon emissions while maximizing clients' potential profit margins. Today is a testament to the hard work of everyone at SciTech and for your passion to lead and to innovate. Nasdaq is honored to share today's virtual bell with each of you. We look forward to a very successful partnership.
Today marks an important milestone for SAI. I want to start off by thanking everyone who participated in making SAI become a global clean tech leader in the Bitcoin mining industry and listed on Nasdaq. Founded 3 years ago, SAI initial letters of 3 words, representing the 3 missions that we as a clean tech company trying to accomplish. That is, sustainable computing, available power, and innovative heating. Through our core product and solution SciHub, we reuse 90% of waste heat from computing to provide heating services, which will reshape our current fossil fuel-based energy structure with ESG-friendly solution, and decrease the cost of computing, power, and heating industries. By entering the global market, we believe that Bitcoin is promising to become the basis of Bit universe, just like DNA is the basis of Bio universe. I'm so grateful for the efforts that all investors, partners, and supporters and team members have made, and I can't wait to see SAI's next step as we are working together to contribute to the sustainable future. Thank you for believing us and joining us on this incredible journey with SAI. Let's build better virus together.
As a friend and an investor of SciTech, I'm so proud to witness this remarkable accomplishment of SAI getting listed on Nasdaq. SciTech develops innovative solutions to use the energy in the mining process to make Bitcoin mining environmental friendly. Getting listed on Nasdaq will definitely help SAI to accelerate its global expansion. So again, big congratulations to SciTech for going public. I'm very grateful to be part of the great journey. And I cannot wait to see what SAI will achieve next to make Bitcoin mining industry sustainable and ESG friendly.